We are back at it, book 23. Gonna knock out pack 89. Build the Enterprise-D from Fanhome. Thanks for joining me. Weekend is upon us. Depending on when you see this, you should see it Friday. Right before the last weekend of 2024. Hopefully everyone has had a great week and a great Christmas and looking forward to the new year. Let me slice this guy open. Big old baggie. Looks like we get us a nice little metal skeletal structure of the battle section lower bracket. Well, let me spill out the rest of these parts. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I want that little card out too. Okay. 89. Looks like we got us a deck panel. Don't want to lose this guy. Little false lifeboat hatch cover, something or other. First steps. Alright, we should have some springs. Some springs, it says. Here we go. Some springs. So we gotta take these 4 springs. We're gonna place them into here. Then our phase array from a previous stage, looks like from stage 83, so keep track of your parts. We'll have to retrieve that phaser array and put on here. This is another one of these situations where it doesn't make any sense at all. They designed some of these phaser arrays with these springs, and you can kind of push on them and it does nothing. Like, I don't know if they thought they were going to make this a button, you know, to light up, but I have seen no use for having these springs in the phaser array. So here's the phaser array. Had it sitting over there. You got to keep track of all your extra parts, right? From previous stages or from duplicates or whatever, because you had to reorder parts because parts were wrong. Phaser array from stage 83. So I'm going to put this in like so. And I don't know if it really matters how the springs feed into this thing, but I want to make sure they're... Yeah, I got to get them to feed into the... There's little nubbins on that side. What a pain in the ass. It's never going to fit in there. It's got to fit in each one like that. There we go. Flip it over. A couple of FP screws are going to lock this into place from the back side. P for plastic, so we don't need a dip. We're just going to go dry. And it looks like this goes one here. Okay. Almost over tighten that one. And the other one goes over here. You can see the phasor array post sticking out. So hopefully I didn't over tighten anything. That's wild. So we got this button here, this faux button, that is going to do absolutely nothing. We'll see. See if it has a purpose later, other than getting caught up. Alright, I gotta quit playing with my phasor array, move on to the next step. Okay, deck panel time. Ugh, get this out of the tray. Ow! Pain in the ass. L304 metal. And now we're going to roll out these life escape pod, lifeboat hatches, or whatever. How many of these we need? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Red, as always, the red line is going to face down toward the wide part of the panel. Let's come on down. Feel like I'm just making a lot of progress here. I want to keep on a roll, get this stuff knocked out, get this guy built, put a done stamp on this portion of my life. Anyone watching this, like Mr. Holster used to say, you'll never ever get this time back. Maybe you can multitask, have this playing on the side. If you're still with me, post some comments down below. I much appreciate it. And the YouTube algorithm appreciates it as well. Okay. This black piece here. Ooh, man. Look at that. That's like a, looks like a cobra snake. Whoosh. Like it. This is going to go like this. And 2 AM screws. M is for metal, so I think it's Den Scourge's favorite part, where we have to, or where the trick is to get a little oil. Got some still in the tray from previous stage. Dip the tip in your oil, and then that will help the screw thread into the metal part. John Solar, if you're out in public listening to this, you know, we won't use terms like raw dogging it, but we are gonna lube our tip for insertion as needed. That went in nice and smooth. Grab this piece, this edge piece here, and it looks like it's going to slot in like that. And we're going to use 2IM. They have a fat little washer looking head on them, and a little nubbin, little nubby stubby thread portion, but we still want to dip that tip. Give it the proper amount of love. Down pressure. Snugged. Dip tip. Down pressure as you screw. Perfect. That is in. Oh yes. We're almost done. Let's move over to our saucer. This one is going to go here. You want to make sure we're not smashing any cables. But you want to make sure the lip of the bottom, the lip of this side, slots in to there. So kind of slot it. Let's slide this over maybe. Maybe. Oh, see how I've messed that up? I'll show you what you don't want, and I can fix it because I haven't screwed it in place yet. Let's see if I can get you a little bit of a view here. You can see how that panel is, deck panel is sticking out. We need that held underneath. So let me fiddle with it a little bit. Kind of a pain. Come on now. There we go. Yes. Okay. So, before we secure this down, you can see now how that's holding that in place. Yep, I like to point that out right now because I made a mistake. It's been what, I don't know how many stages back, and I had to unscrew some panels and get that portion correctly positioned. Lesson learned. So, 2 FM screws. Grab those out of the little packet, because you know, why would you want to use the same size screw anywhere on this build? You want to keep changing the size up, because the engineering, whoever designed this was insane. Dip the tip in the oil, and we're gonna go one here. Put some down pressure in it. Snugged. Load up my screwdriver with the final FM screw. And in scourge, we are going to dip the tip. And it's going to get screwed in right here. Supporting it from the underside with my hands, and there we go. Not quite done. We're almost finished here. Now we gotta, hopefully you did not misplace your little cover here for your lifeboat, the faux cover. And it is gonna go in place right there. Line them up. Line up your little nubbins. Ooh, that one doesn't want to go in very good. I don't want to damage it. Come on now. We thought we were done. We thought we had this easy. This little nubbin doesn't want to go in. I have smashed one of these badly one time, so I don't want to do that. Come on now. Come on now. What's going on here? Let me see if I can carefully remove. Come on, what is going on? Oh, don't lose it, don't lose it. Oh, it flipped. Oh, it's on the ground somewhere. Now I gotta spend time looking for it. Oh my gosh. Come on. Where is it? It's amazing how this thing can just disappear onto the ground. It's gone. Gone, gone, gone! There it is. underneath the deck, underneath the desk, the deck panel. Inspect that. What's going on? Let me try this again. Get in position. Come on. There we go. Just had to go Rambo on that. Okay. Crisis averted. Little drama. Little drama there. What would be complete without a little drama? That is done. Next up will be 90. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for subscribing. Boom.